Hi there, students. The flip side. You could have it as one word or two words, or probably even hyphened as well. Okay, this is a noun. We use it to mean the opposite, the reverse, the contrast, the other side of something. So, yeah, this restaurant is really good quality. On the flip side, it's incredibly expensive. So let's see. Exercise is good for your health, but on the flip side, it's pretty tiring. Yeah. So it's good to have a job and money, but on the flip side, you don't have a lot of free time. Notice I'm using this phrase on the flip side. You could say the flip side is, the opposite is. Very often as well, the flip side, the less good side or the less popular side. So I think the UK is now starting to see the flip side of Brexit. It looked like a really good idea, but now they're having problems covering certain jobs. Okay. We're starting to see the flip side of the government's policy, the unattractive part. Okay, yes, when interest rates go up, the flip side of that is companies are less profitable and there is an increase in unemployment. Okay, so that's the flip side of it. Okay, the opposite side, the contrast to it. You can also use the flip side for a record. When I was a kid, we didn't have music on your iPod or things like that. We had real physical records. And the flip side's the B side. You would have a single, and the flip side's the B side, the other side, the less attractive song. Yeah. Maybe you could have the flip side of somebody's character. Yeah, he's normally a very pleasant and funny guy, but sometimes he gets very angry, and that's the flip side of his character. Yeah, it's the opposite side. Okay, so yeah, the flip side. The on the other hand. So yeah, walking to work is a good idea because it saves money, but on the flip side, it takes 3 times as long as using your car. Notice as well, we can also use on the flip side to mean when we meet again, next time we meet. So it's something you would say when you part someone. So I go out to work in the morning and I'll say, I'll see you on the flip side when I come back, when I've finished. Yeah? So that's another meaning, although that's probably less common. Okay? So the flip side, the opposite, on the other hand, a contrast. Yeah? The flip side is probably less pleasant. It's not something that you are so happy about. Okay? As to formality, I think I'm going to give it 4.75 in formality. Definitely use it in an informal conversation. I think you could use it in a semi-formal writing, but I wouldn't use it in something very formal, very formally, in contrast. Yeah, as a contrast to this, something like that. And then flip side, well, to flip is to turn over. You could flip a coin, or you flip a pancake, yeah? So to flip, to turn something over, yeah? To flip it. So the flip side's the opposite side of it when you've flipped it. And this itself comes from a Middle English word, flippen, to make a signal or sound with the hands, snap your fingers or something like that, which itself comes from flappen, which is a cognate with the Dutch word flappen, to flap, or flappen in German as well. Okay, so on the flip side, So I could say I'll see you next video. I'll see you on the flip side. Yeah, I'll see you when I make the next video. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. The flip side. On the flip side.